Hello traders, this is Mac Billion. Today is March 22nd, 2017, and let's talk about the market. Let's start talking about Tesla. So I wanted to talk about Tesla and show you this chart, which is 5 years daily chart, to show you that Tesla is not the bullish chart that many people says. Tesla break out this Fibonacci resistance 185 in February 2014 and has traded inside this rectangle between 185 and 285 $100 range for 3 years. 3 years. Every time it goes to 284, it fail, retest the 260, test the 185. Goes to 184, retest the 260, break or take the 185. Here it bounced, it didn't go to the 284, but it failed at 260. And then it went back to 185. So it looks like it's the same right here. It went to 284, it tested 260. I don't know if the story is gonna repeat. High probability. It happens 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So let's see what's gonna happen. So many people say Tesla chart is so bullish. No, it's a chart that has been moving sideways for 3 years. What are you talking about? Right here it tested 260. We have an inside candle, so we have to respect the number that we have to respect is 266, and the low of yesterday, which was 250. 266, 250. If it break down 250, it's gonna go to 245, probably to 234. Or if the story repeats, it's gonna go to 185. I'm not saying tomorrow, I'm not saying next week. It's gonna take time because it usually takes months to go there and test the 185. Now, one thing that calls my attention is that Tesla is moving with the S&P. So let me show you the spider, which is the S&P ATF. Is bearish. We got a fresh crossover on DMI. It's just testing the ADX, which is really high. So it's a very strong bear. So today it was it was a relief bounce right here. It just hold right here. But I think it's gonna start moving down. So you gotta respect that. And Tesla is moving with the S&P. So that increased the probability of my trade to be better than yours that are trading based on article that you read that says that Tesla is gonna go to 500 because the CEO is such a handsome guy. No, I don't trade that. I trade high probability. The chart give me the high probability. And of course, there is probability that I'm wrong and it doesn't go my way. That's why I use money management. But for now and forever, I'm gonna trade the chart, not what people think or what I think. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about gel. This is on my watch list, and I wanted to share this one with you. 33 key number. If you break down below 33, get sure because this thing is gonna tank and it's gonna tank really hard because the bears has been pushing that level for over 2 weeks. Trying to break down the level. It's like you have a bunch of bears, trying to break down that level. So keep an eye on that one because it can be fun. Now let's talk about a good one that I entered today. This is America Airlines. Break down the 200 moving average. It finished about that level, but it's broken. You see, it's broken. It broke the 40.37 Fibonacci, and it finished below. So this is bearish. DMI is bearish. A lot of volume. Every time it goes down, there is a lot of volume. This thing is for sure gonna go to 36.69. Well, for sure, 80% probability. There is a 20% probability that it goes and tests the 21 double exponential if you might want to enter there, sure. But for here, this is bearish. Just give it a couple days and this thing is going to start moving down very fast and test the 36th level. Okay, traders, I have a nice promotion on my website. It's going to expire soon. So please join Mac Billion. Only one-time payment and you can join. You can learn with me. You can trade with me. You can have access to my online trading video and my mentoring. This is everything for today. Trade on.